Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we got something a little heavy. Is it a brick? Is it a block? What is it? So, let's go ahead and open this up so you can check it out. This is actual 1 pound of pure copper. And we got this. It's a great paperweight. So, this is it. It's pretty awesome if I do say so myself. I like this. And it's 1 pound of pure copper. So this would make a great paperweight. So for me, I'm putting it on my desk. I think it's really stunning. We'll do it up closer so you guys can see how it looks better with better lighting, so stay tuned. So you do get a certificate of authenticity. So this is what it looks like. Couple little imperfections, but nothing major. So that way you know that it's real. 99.9% 1 pound copper. Pretty awesome. I love this.